Hello guys, and welcome to Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analyzing the NASDAQ 100 price chart. We are halfway through the session here on Tuesday, the second trading session of the week. And the NASDAQ 100 currently under pressure, down 2.96%. Now, of course, we've still got roughly 4 hours left in the session, and as yesterday tells us, anything can happen. It wouldn't be abnormal if we ended this trading session in positive territory. Of course, I'm not saying that that's going to happen, but after yesterday, it just goes to show that anything can happen. But at this moment in time, NASDAQ 100 is down near 14,000. Not really the way that I wanted the trading session to go, but nevertheless, I have, of course, got very long stop losses because I know that the markets are going to be volatile, and that's the exact same in all of my stock holdings at this moment in time. I know that there's going to be plenty of volatility in the market, so you can't be putting tight stop losses. So, as I mentioned during this morning's video that I posted on YouTube, if you would like to understand my current take profit and stop loss, then please do go and sign up on our streaming service at dailymarketmovements.com. You've only got a few hours left to take advantage of our 25% discount of entering 16,000 as the coupon code to receive that 25% discount. But the NASDAQ 100, it's all about tomorrow for me. I wasn't really bothered what the market does during today's trading session because it's all about tomorrow. Tomorrow we have Jerome Powell coming out, and I've stated it for the past week or so. I am anticipating to come out and strike an incredibly dovish tone. Many investors do not agree with me, but I personally think that the Fed is going to come out and say, hang on a minute, who's mentioned 4, 5, 6 rate hikes? I think that they're going to come out, they are going to hike maybe 3 times this year. And of course, the market has already priced in 5 to 6 rate hikes. Okay, the NASDAQ nearly entered into a bear market yesterday, nearly dropping 20%. That to me tells me that the market has priced in at least 5 rate hikes, or even 4. And if we get Jerome Powell come out tomorrow and just hint that we were only aiming at 3 rate hikes, then the markets will enjoy that news very, very much, and they should rally rather significantly. Also, after the close today, we have Microsoft reporting earnings. That is going to be very interesting to see how the stock reacts. I do anticipate Microsoft to smash their earnings. I think that they're going to have very strong numbers, but it's not abnormal to see a stock come out and report, near to perfection in terms of numbers when it comes to their earnings report, and the stock still trades down. So I would not be surprised if Microsoft did trade towards the downside, but on the flip side, it has given up a lot of its value over the past 3 weeks, and I wouldn't be surprised either if investors bought after hours and that stock did bounce up tomorrow. So it's going to be very 50-50 with regards to how the market is going to react, and I think that will dictate how the market opens tomorrow, because of course Microsoft being the second largest company in the world, it has a massive weightage in the NASDAQ 100, and if Microsoft falls 5 to 10%, of course that's going to drag the NASDAQ 100 down with it. But on the flip side, if it rallies 2 to 3, 4, 5%, that's going to be very positive for the NASDAQ 100 in the after hours. So I think going into the opening tomorrow, the market should be rather calm. I think it's a day where we won't see as much volatility, and that's just due to the fact investors aren't really going to be wanting to invest much money prior to the meeting because it's very uncertain what the Fed is going to say. But I'm happy to come out and use YouTube as a platform to share my opinion, and my opinion is that the Fed is going to strike a very dovish tone. I think investors have overreacted with regards to how much interest rate hikes are going to occur this year, and I honestly believe that the Fed is only targeting or only really can hike 3 times this year unless the markets will really react in a super negative way. So I'm a buyer here. I made that very clear with the titles of my video. I bought yesterday down at the lows here for the NASDAQ 100. I love the hammer candlestick, and if we can get a close maybe within minus 1% going into the close today, that should be seen as very positive. And I think from tomorrow onwards, we march back up towards that 200-day EMA, which is around 15,000. And that is going to wrap it up for today's video. But just before I let you leave, I just want to quickly show you our brand new streaming service. We've recently launched this website that you can see in front of you. This is where we provide in-depth analysis videos as well as trading signals via our Telegram group chat. Once subscribed, you'll then have access to all of our in-depth analysis videos as well as access to our private Telegram group chat. We cover various markets such as commodities, US stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. We also have a video category where we provide educational content so that you can improve your trading skills. If this sounds appealing to you, then you can find our website link in the description of this YouTube video at dailymarketmovements.com. If not, then I would just like to take this time to say thank you for watching today's YouTube video. Please give my channel a subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you again soon.